Hello everyone, welcome back to Statistical Academy. My name is Sanjeev Reddy. In this video, we will learn how to control the variable output, directing variables output, and variables in the PDV. So are you ready to dive in and learn something new? Before we move further, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and leave a comment with your thoughts on the topic. Let us learn together. The links for the programs and the example datasets I use in this video can be found in the description below. When you use a drop or keep statement in the data step, the variable is flagged for dropping or keeping in the PDV, and that action applies to all of the datasets listed on the data statement. So what if you wanted to keep different variables in each of the output datasets? You can use the drop equal to or keep equal to dataset options to specify a unique list of variables for each datasets listed in the data statement. The PDV keeps track of the variables to drop from the specific output dataset. In this example, we will control which variables are read in and out of the PDV with the drop equal to or keep equal to dataset options. So the program we are starting with is where we finished with the last demonstration in our previous class. We are creating three different datasets for cohort 1, cohort 2 and cohort 3. Notice we are also calculating two new variables, height in centimeters and weight in kgs. So we have height in centimeters, height in inches and weight in kgs, weight in pounds in our dataset. So depending on the dataset, I wanted to keep height in centimeters and weight in kgs or height in inches and weight in pounds. So after the cohort 1 dataset on the data statement, I am going to add the drop equal to dataset option, and in the dataset I would like to drop height in inches and weight in pounds. After cohort 2, I will drop height in centimeters and weight in kgs. And after cohort 3, I'm not going to put anything because I wanted to keep all the variables. So remember, when we use the drop equal to or keep equal to dataset options on the data statement, those variables are still read into the PDV. We still have their values. They will be available for processing in the data step. So I'll run the program and notice cohort 3 has height and weight variables along with newly created variables height in centimeters and weight in kgs. Cohort 2 has height and weight. And cohort 1 has height centimeters, weight kgs. I'll go back to the program. So what if you would like to drop age at start from all the three datasets? And I don't need age at start for any processing of the data step. So after the hard data on the set statement, I will use the dataset option drop equal to age at start. And once again, remember the drop equal to dataset option on the set statement, age at start will not be read into the PDV, and therefore those values would not be available for processing in the data step. And they also won't be included in any of the three output datasets. So I will run the final program, and age at start has been excluded from all the three datasets. So depending on where you place those drop equal to and keep equal to dataset options, you have quite a bit of control of what data is read into the PDV, as well as what is written out. It is important to think about whether you need variables for processing when you are deciding how to drop or keep them. When you use a drop equal or keep equal dataset option on dataset in the set statement, the excluded variables are not read into the PDV, so they are not available for processing. When you use a drop or keep statement or a drop equal or keep equal dataset options in the data statement, the variables are included in the PDV and can be used for processing. They are flagged to be dropped when an implicit or explicit output is reached. So in conclusion, this video has covered topics including how to control the variable output, directing variables output, and variables in the PDV. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Until next time, happy learning.